Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on Grammar Heroes, a spooky roll and write game full of tricky choices and a sneaky ghost. If you like rolling dice and choosing words, this is your game. Let's dive right in and see how it works. The goal of the game is simple. Use dice to collect words and find your way through the grammar castle. You start in the top left corner and move along a path towards the exit. Each space you fill in must match a word type shown by the dice. Noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. Each unique word is worth 1 point. Once all players have reached the exit, the player with the highest score wins. Now let's set up the game. To play Grammar Heroes, you need 4 6-sided dice, and for each player, 1 game sheet, 1 colored pen, and 1 pencil for crossing out words. Then choose a topic. All the words you write down during the game must fit this topic. In this video, our topic is animals. Write it at the top of your sheet using your colored pen. By the way, we're using the version Get Out. There are also other, more advanced versions, but the basic rules stay the same. Once everyone has written down the topic, you're ready to start. Here's how it works. Each round has 3 steps. Let's take a look at them. One player starts as the active player. This active player rolls 4 dice. Each number represents a word type. 1 equals noun, 2 equals verb, 3 equals adjective, 4 equals adverb. 6 is a joker. You can choose the type of the word yourself, so it can be a noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. 5 is not a word type, but the ghost. We will take a closer look at it in step 3. You can fill in 1 word for each matching die, but only in boxes that are connected to the path you've already taken. Start in the top left-hand corner. Once a box is filled in, you can move on to the next connected box. If somebody rolls 1, 2, 3 and another 2, you can fill in 1 box with 1, a noun, 2 boxes with a 2, verbs, and 1 box with a 3, an adjective. You must fill in at least 1 box. If you cannot find an available box on your game sheet, cross out a box that has not yet been used. Or, if it is your turn, you can use your free rerolls. Now let's get back to that ghost. If anyone rolls a 5, the ghost moves. That means each player must cross out the next word on their path using their pencil. Crossed out words don't count at the end. For the next round, repeat these steps with the next player, and so on. When a player has filled in the last box labeled Exit, that player is finished. The rest of the players continue. The game ends when all players have either reached the exit or can no longer continue because of too many crossed out boxes. Then get ready to score. To score, check each sheet and count all unique, correct words that were not crossed out. You get 1 point for each word that clearly fits one of the 4 categories. Spelling doesn't have to be perfect, but the words must be understandable. Only compare words on one player's sheet, not between players. The player with the highest score wins. And that's it. So grab your dice, pick your topic, and be the first to escape the grammar castle. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!